In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fog light bulb on your Chevy Sonic. It's located under the bumper. Under this flap, if we take this down, you're going to be able to reach in and get to the fog light bulb. To do that, we're going to remove these two screws here. We're going to use a T20 to do that. After you remove that, we're going to pull back that panel. I'm going to put a bungee cord there so it's out of my way. So up here is where your connector is and your bulb. And what you're going to do is you're going to pinch the two sides, and then you're going to be able to release the bulb with the connector. So we're going to go up here. So you're going to go up here and you're going to pinch the two things and pull out. And I'm going to show you those two things. There's one here and one there. And you're going to pinch it to pull it out. Now that we've pulled this down and we have our harness down here too, we're going to disconnect the bulb from the socket. To do that, you're going to unlock it. You're going to get a little flathead screwdriver in there and pull this lock out. Make sure you're wearing gloves when handling bulbs. Push down on this tab and remove the connector. Now we're going to put the connector on the bulb, look on the bulb side and look for the prong that's right there. And that's the thing that locks in. You're going to push this down and then you're going to lock it in. Now we're going to install it into the assembly. Now you're going to go up and feed this and this into the slots up there, into the socket. After you've lined up the bulb, you're going to pinch those two pieces that I showed you and push. It should click in. Make sure the bulb is stable. And now we're going to put this flap back. Let's put this back. Make sure it's above this lip. And get our screws started. And snug them up. Now I want you to check to make sure your fog lights are working. The process is the same on the other side, and you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.